Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one search engine in Java, and I hope you will be also enjoying this video also and this project also, like you enjoying me all the previous projects and all the previous videos which I have just uploaded yet. And I hope you will be enjoying this video also, and I hope this video will be really helpful for you and in your professional life also. It can also lead you for a job which should be really helpful for you, and I hope you will be just really enjoyable for these videos which I am uploading. So you can check my previous like beginner course of Java which I have uploaded, because that is also helpful if you are new here watching this video for the first time and learning more than enough things from that. So please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, because it motivates me to do more hard work and to learn more languages to teach you in future. And also share this video with your friends so they can also learn this programming tips and tricks and become full stack developer of that and land a job in real like United States in future, and that will be really helpful for them also and for you also. So just I hope you are just enjoying my all the project which I have uploaded here. You can check my previous Django Python courses also which I have uploaded, and the Python courses, JavaScript courses, React courses, and HTML and CSS courses which I have uploaded, because that is also really helpful for you. Just check JavaScript and React courses, because these are main languages and these are the languages which are in market, and people are just coming and making the website of that. So just check these all languages. I am telling you how to build a website, clones, how to build the apps in that. So you can check that all videos there. And I have also uploaded many of the projects which I have made in Java, which should be really helpful for you, and it is really helpful for you because you are doing really good comments and you are just liking the video. So thankful. I am really thankful for that. And please, now we are just reaching to 5k subscribers. So I want to just reach 5k subscriber like in one, you can say in 2 or 3 months, because now we are just reaching to 2k and we are just fastly moving to 3k. So thank you for supporting me and loving me too much, and I'm just really thankful to you to just do that all things. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building our own, like I'm telling you how to just build a project. So here I'll be showing you before starting the project, we want to show you what our project is about and what we are making. We are making search engine here in Java, which should be really helpful for you. So here first of all I'll be want to show you how to build that and how it will look in the end when we'll be just converting and making that here, which should be really helpful for you. If I just open my Google Chrome here, you can see there is the search box. You can see this search box is like a Google like we are getting. So I have erased some of the things of Google logo in the footer section. Just we are getting the Gmail images and the Google apps, and we are also getting our Google, you can say that we are getting our Google sign in menu, like from which account you have signed in your Google or in your Gmail. And here this should be really helpful for you, and I am telling you how to build this. And you can search many of the things in that, like Google search box we made like that. We are just making that. When I'm hovering on that, you can see we are getting the box shadow at the back, and when I'm hovering on that, the search is written here in the hover. You can see that here it is written. Then we are getting the search by voice, and we are also getting the search box here from where we can search. Then we are also getting this back white face, which is really helpful for you, and I will telling you how to build. So building for this project, you have to just open your VS Code here, in which we'll be writing all the codes of ours. So here just I'll be opening my VS Code. So when you just open your VS Code here, I'll be raising some of the codes which are just here, and I'll be just writing div class name here. So write that. Okay, so write class name equals to, then you have to change that to help. Here you have to close this tag now. Then you have to do one thing, move down here, write a tag which should be like signal. Then I'll be writing internal equals to import. So here you have to write, so before doing that, so here you have to write this thing. Then you have to close this tag here. When you've done that, make this curly bracket and just write a tag which should be just like here, signal dot internal, and then you have to write dot import. You have to just close this tag from here. Then I will be moving down and writing a tag which should be just like our audio equals to buffer. So when you've done that, just close this tag again. Here I will be writing about, then I'll be writing audio, then I'll be writing buffer. So when you've done that, close this tag now from here, and here I will be just moving down. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like animate. Here I will be writing, just right here animate, and then right here effect. So here right here effect equals to use. Close this here, then make a curly bracket in which I will be writing animate dot effect dot use. Okay, so write this tag, then close this here. Save this file again by going to file and pressing save, or you can press Ctrl as to save this. Here I will be just moving down again. Then when you're done with that, here I will be writing event source equals to, then you have to write here fact, but here I'll be writing event like that. Now here I'll be writing effect, so right here. Then when you've done that, close this here and write a tag which should be like event.source. Then you have to change that to like effect. Here close this tag from now. Then I will be moving down and then writing a tag which should be like audio here. Then I will be changing that to sound. Here you have to write here equals to set. So when you've done that, here I will be writing that to a tag which should be like audio.sound.set. Here I'll be closing this tag now. Then I will be just moving down and writing a tag which should be just like here playback. So here I'll be writing play. Then right here plugin now. Here I'll be writing equals to back. So write that. Then I'll be closing this. Then I'll be writing play dot plugin dot back. Here I will be closing this and now saving this file from here. Then I will be moving here and then moving down. Here I will be just doing one thing like here I will be writing header abstract, write it, and here you have to write equals to and then write script tag here. When you've done with that all things, here I will be just writing this tag here, means closing this, making this curly bracket here, and then I will be writing run dot view. Here I will be now writing header dot abstract dot script. Then I will be closing this tag from here, saving this file now. Here I will be just writing a. Then I will be just doing one thing like I will be just moving down. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like open editor equals to outline. Then I will be just making this tag here and writing a tag which will be like open editor dot outline, closing this tag from here. Then just I'll be saving this file again, and when you've just saved that, here just move forward and move down. Then just you have to write here personal bar equals to, then you have to write here like I will be writing open now. Then close this here and then write a tag which will be like personal dot bar dot open. So here I'll be writing dot bar dot open. Close this tag here, save this file from here now, and when you've just saved that, here you have to move down now. Then write a tag which will be like print message equals to, then just write here animation, close this. Then write a tag which will be like print dot message dot animation, close this from here. Now when you've done with that all things, just I'll be moving down here and then I will be just writing a tag which will be like external, and then you have to change that to a tag which will be like outline equals to, then I will be changing that to website. Here just close this, write a tag which will be like external dot outline dot website. Here close this tag now. Then when you've done with that all things, move down, save this file from here, and just you have to do one thing, copy this four things which we are getting and paste that down. You can see we have done that. Save this file now. Here I will be just doing one thing, I will be just moving now to Google Chrome, and if I show you our project should be just ready. So just open your Google Chrome here. Now you can see our search engine is already, you can see we are getting the background of white, then we are getting our search box here at the center in which we are getting the background box shadow. You can say dark shadow also, then we are getting the search, you can say logo here. We are getting search boy voice, hover effect and logo here also, and when I am hovering on that we are getting the search hover effect and the background box shadow. Then we are getting at the top like navbar thing of Gmail, images, Google Apps, and the Google account which you have signed in with at right side of the navbar. And we are getting all more than enough things, and you can search here anything related to that. So these are the things which are really helpful for you, and this is the project which we have just made today. I hope you understand this project. If you have understand and learned this thing, and if you are loving this video, so please hit a like to this. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button which motivates me to make more hard work, to do more hard work and to make more videos for you in future. And also just share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn programming languages and coding languages which should be really helpful for them in future, and it can also land them to a job in future which should be really helpful for them. So I hope you understand this video and I hope you enjoy that. So if you have I hope you enjoy. If you have enjoyed, check my previous videos also which I have uploaded here, because that are also really helpful for beginners if you want to become full stack developer of that. So just I will be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.